Okay, welcome to 6184 South 3100 West, Rexburg, Idaho. Got a cute little home. You're looking around 1,400 square feet on 0.8 acres. Have a nice little back and front yard. Here's your driveway. Give you just a outside view of the home. Got a few outbuildings on the property. Okay. Going up the back steps and into the home. Welcome to the living room of the home. I'll give you another view. Nice fireplace. Moving on to the kitchen area. Hard surface countertops. LVP flooring. Cute little home. Definitely a cute little home for sure. Here's kind of the proposed mud area, mud room. And then here's the stairs to the basement. I'll walk you down here. Here's the basement. Sorry about that. There's a water heater. Here's the foundation. Structural damage there. Needs some work for sure. However, everything else looks pretty darn good. See a little sunlight coming through there. Here's the view up the stairs. I'll just walk you around here. Got a water softener, pressure tank. Looks like some crawl space area. Crawl space area. Other side. There's the view of the basement. Okay, going up the stairs. And back into the kitchen area. Back into here, and I'll show you upstairs. Now we're moving to the second floor. This home definitely has a lot of potential. Going left at the top of the stairs, we enter into a little bedroom here. Let me get to the side. Cute little bedroom here. Looks like and then moving out to the TV room area. Once again, this home has a lot of potential. And moving on downstairs. Going right at the bottom of the stairs. We've got the bathroom here. There's the shower. And moving into the master bedroom. With It's the closet. So, once again, lots of potential for this home. Cute little home. Here's a view of the backyard. Okay, thanks for watching.